Meet FB do Brasil, the largest manufacturer of fashion trims in Brazil. A productive force at the heart of the industry since 1927 in a modern 4,500 square meter factory. Tradition meets the latest technology and impeccable organization. Here, more than 100 modern, automated, and integrated machines, including looms and state-of-the-art auxiliary equipment, work incessantly, transforming around 30 tons of raw material per month. Our production capacity is your guarantee. More than 10 million meters of trims every month. We serve a portfolio of more than 4,000 customers and export our products to more than 10 countries. International recognition of our excellence. And innovation is part of our daily routine. We develop tailor-made solutions for each customer and launch more than 4 new products every day, following trends and market needs. State-of-the-art technology and optimized processes, such as our real-time monitoring system, guarantee total control. And our commitment is to your peace of mind. Your orders delivered with the punctuality your business demands, honoring every agreement made. Large volumes? For us, it's our day-to-day business. For you, it's the certainty that your business can grow without limits. We are the strength and capacity that drives your brand. FB do Brasil. The detail makes all the difference.